So today we are mounting a floating shelf. This one is a glass one and a couple of holes there. So we started drilling with a smaller bit, then went to the bigger last 10 mil drill. So we've already got one of the nuts and bolts in there. So here's the second one. It's gonna go there. So the trick was to measure from the ceiling down to there. So from the ceiling down to there, and just to make sure that we had sort of a straight line. I'm filming with one hand, so there we go. Oh, there you see, if we bend it, then it loses the link, but it's a perfect line indeed. So now we're just going to install the second one, tighten it up, and show you when the job is done. So yeah, trick is drill with a smaller bit, then go for the last big one, because this is actually drywall. It's not proper balls, so you don't want to damage it or put a bigger hole than you need. Okay, both nuts and bolts are in place. Just need to remove these so we can tighten it. Pretty solid. Yes, it might shake a bit. That's just because you can screw them in there to your desired position. So as you can see, the ones that's coming out of the actual lining there, it's flat with the wall. So it's just flat with the wall, but it's basically strong enough to hold the weight of that floating mirror. So for the grand finale, just gonna try and place it there. Okay. It's gonna be tough with one hand. Right. So basically, I've just laid it on top of the actual bars. Somewhere down there. There we go. And it's sitting nicely. Proper perfect. So now we just need to mount it properly. Maybe on the side view like that. Yeah. That should do the job. Okay, it's finally there. So all sorted and done. However, the other thing that I didn't tell you guys, I had to actually make some room at the back of the actual mirror, as it wasn't sitting right on the edge of the wall. So I had to make some makeshift holes. The ones which are there already were not big enough for the bolts to be hidden, because without the bolts we were just going to have that free play, and that free play wasn't going to make this thing stable and straight. So we had to make some countersunk holes at the back so that the bolts can actually go in there. Once that's done, then it lies flat to the wall. So yeah, it's looking good. Cheers.